Can you see yourself in the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Enter the artful world of premium luxury and muscular performance when you take the wheel of this GLC 300. SUV capability, chiseled looks, and the latest tech blend with exquisite refinement and superb engineering to bring you a superlative automobile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, power liftgate, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat. You owe it to yourself to possess the genuine article. Get behind the wheel of this GLC 300 SUV. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.